Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting, something that's changing the way we learn new things, especially languages like English. The title of our session today is Learn English with AI, Personalized Practice for Fluency. Now, many of you are on a journey to improve your English. You want to speak more fluently, understand better, and feel more confident. And perhaps, like me and many others, you've tried different ways to learn. Maybe you've attended classes, read textbooks, or used traditional methods. But have you ever felt that learning a language, especially getting to a point where you can speak it smoothly and confidently, can sometimes be a bit frustrating? Does that sound familiar? Think about it. In a typical classroom, a teacher has many students. It's hard for the teacher to give individual attention to everyone all the time. The lessons often follow a fixed plan, a one-size-fits-all approach. But we are all different, right? Some of us are good at grammar but struggle with pronunciation. Others might have a good vocabulary but find it hard to make sentences quickly. Some learn fast by listening, others by reading or practicing speaking. Traditional methods often don't adapt to these individual needs. You might get some feedback, but it's not always immediate and it's not always focused precisely on your specific weak points. I remember when I was trying to improve my own English speaking skills years ago. I would practice by reading newspapers aloud, but I had no idea if my pronunciation was correct. I would try to form sentences in my head, but I wasn't sure if they were grammatically right or sounded natural. I often felt stuck, unsure what I needed to work on most or how to practice effectively. Many learners face common challenges. Maybe it's hard to practice consistently, or you can't quite pinpoint your exact weaknesses, or sometimes the sheer amount of information, grammar rules, vocabulary lists, pronunciation guides feels overwhelming. You might learn a lot of rules, but still find it difficult to actually speak fluently in a real conversation. But what if I told you there's a powerful new helper available, something that can make your English learning journey much more personal, more focused, and potentially much faster? That helper is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is not just about robots in movies anymore. It's becoming a real game changer in many fields, and language learning is one of them. Today, we are going to explore how AI can help you learn English in a way that's tailored just for you, like having a personal tutor available anytime, anywhere. So, what will we cover today? First, we'll talk a bit more about the frustrations many of us face with traditional learning methods, just to set the context. Then, we'll dive into the real power of AI in language, learning how it works to understand you and create a learning plan that fits your needs. We'll then explore a few examples of popular AI-powered language learning tools and platforms that you can actually use. We'll see how they use AI to make your learning experience personal and effective. After that, I'll share some practical tips on how you can make the most of these AI tools in your own learning journey. And finally, we'll look at the exciting future of language learning with AI and how you can embrace this technology to accelerate your path to English fluency. My aim is to make this session simple, practical, and inspiring using easy-to-understand language. So, if you're ready to discover how AI can become your personal English learning partner, let's get started. The frustration of traditional learning. Let's be honest, learning a new language as an adult or even as a student outside of a fully immersive environment can be tough. Many of us have experiences with what we might call traditional learning methods. This could be school or college English classes, coaching centers, or even self-study using textbooks and grammar guides. While these methods have value and have helped many people, they often come with certain limitations that can lead to frustration. Think back to your own experiences. Perhaps you were in a classroom with these or Charlie's other students. The teacher, no matter how dedicated, has a limited amount of time. They have a syllabus to cover. They might teach a grammar rule, give some examples, and then move on. But what if you didn't quite understand that rule? What if your specific problem was with pronunciation, not that particular grammar point? It's hard for a teacher in a large group to give every single student personalized attention and feedback constantly. This is what we mean by a one-size-fits-all approach. The same lesson, the same pace for everyone, regardless of their individual strengths, weaknesses, or learning styles. I remember a personal experience. When I was trying to get better at spoken English, I joined a conversation class. It was good in some ways. I got to speak, but there were about 20 people. Some spoke very fluently already, and they tended to dominate the conversation. Others, like me, were more hesitant. I often felt shy about speaking up, worried I'd make mistakes in front of everyone, or that my pronunciation wasn't good. The teacher would try to encourage everyone, but the feedback was often general, or I'd only get to speak for a very short time. I didn't feel like my specific problems, like my tendency to use Hindi sentence structure when speaking English, or my difficulty with certain vowel sounds, were being addressed directly and consistently. This lack of truly personalized feedback is a major challenge in traditional learning. You might make the same mistakes repeatedly without even realizing it, or without knowing exactly how to correct them. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something really exciting, something that's changing the way we learn new things, especially languages like English. The title of our session today is Learn English with AI, Personalized Practice for Fluency. Now, many of you are on a journey to improve your English. You want to speak more fluently, understand better, and feel more confident. And perhaps, like me and many others, you've tried different ways to learn. Maybe you've attended classes, read textbooks, or used traditional methods. But have you ever felt that learning a language, especially getting to a point where you can speak it smoothly and confidently, can sometimes be a bit frustrating? Does that sound familiar? Think about it. In a typical classroom, a teacher has many students. It's hard for the teacher to give individual attention to everyone all the time. The lessons often follow a fixed plan, a one-size-fits-all. You might end up practicing things you're already good at while neglecting your real weak spots. And finally, there's the feeling of being overwhelmed. English can seem like a vast ocean of grammar rules, tenses, idioms, phrasal verbs, and endless vocabulary. Where do you even start? Traditional textbooks often present information in a linear way, chapter by chapter. But language learning isn't always linear. You might need to focus more on speaking than on complex grammar rules initially, or vice versa, depending on your goals and current level. A one-size-fits-all syllabus might not match your immediate learning needs, leading to frustration and a feeling that you're not making progress fast enough. These challenges, lack of personalized attention, inconsistent practice, difficulty identifying specific weaknesses, and feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information, are very common. It's not usually about a lack of effort from the learner or the teacher. It's often about the limitations of the methods themselves when trying to cater to diverse individual needs. This is precisely where new technologies, particularly artificial intelligence, are beginning to offer exciting solutions. The power of AI in language learning. So, how can artificial intelligence, or AI, help with these frustrations? What makes it a potential game changer for learning English or any language for that matter? At its core, AI in language learning is about personalization. Imagine having a smart, patient tutor who understands exactly what you need to learn, adapts to your pace, and gives you instant feedback tailored to your performance. That's the promise of AI. Let's break down how AI works its magic in this context. Analyzing your strengths and weaknesses. This is one of the most powerful aspects. When you start using an AI-powered language learning tool, it doesn't just throw random lessons at you. It often begins with an assessment, or it learns about you as you interact with it. It analyzes your responses, your pronunciation, the grammar you use, the vocabulary you know. It looks for patterns. Are you consistently making mistakes with past tense verbs? Do you struggle to pronounce the sound? Is your vocabulary for everyday objects good, but for professional terms weak? AI algorithms are designed to identify these specific strengths and weaknesses with a level of detail that might be hard for a human teacher to track for every single student in a large class. Creating tailored practice sessions. Once the AI has a good understanding of your current level and your specific areas for improvement, it can create practice sessions that are customized just for you. This is the opposite of a one-size-fits-all approach. If your grammar for verb tenses is weak, the AI might give you more exercises focusing on that. If you need to improve your business vocabulary, it might introduce words and phrases relevant to professional settings. If your pronunciation of certain sounds is off, it might offer specific drills for those sounds. This means you spend your valuable practice time working on things that will actually help you improve, rather than just following a generic syllabus. Adaptive difficulty levels. This is another key benefit. We all learn at different paces. Some concepts we grasp quickly, others take more time. AI-powered systems can adapt the difficulty of the lessons and exercises in real time based on your performance. If you're finding the exercises too easy and answering everything correctly, the AI can gradually increase the complexity, introducing new vocabulary or more challenging grammar structures to keep you learning. If you're struggling with a particular concept, the AI can provide simpler explanations, more examples, or more practice exercises on that specific point until you master it before moving on. This adaptive learning ensures you are always challenged but not overwhelmed, keeping you in that sweet spot for effective learning. Instant and personalized feedback. Remember the frustration of making mistakes and not knowing or getting feedback much later. AI tools can often provide instant feedback. If you mispronounce a word in a speaking exercise, some AI systems can show you how you said it versus how it should be said, sometimes even giving tips on mock position. If you make a grammatical error in a writing exercise, the AI can often highlight it and suggest the correct form. If you choose the wrong answer in a quiz, it can explain why it was wrong. This immediate, targeted feedback helps you correct mistakes quickly and learn from them much more effectively than if you had to wait for a teacher to grade your homework. Real-time progress tracking. AI systems can keep a detailed record of your learning journey. They can show you which topics you've mastered, which areas you still need to work on, how much time you've spent practicing, and how your skills are improving over time. Seeing this progress visually, maybe through charts or skill trees, can be incredibly motivating. It helps you understand where you are, how far you've come, and what you need to focus on next. Engaging and interactive methods. Many AI learning tools incorporate gamification, making learning feel like a game with points, levels, rewards, interactive dialogues with AI chatbots, real-life scenarios, and multimedia content to make learning more engaging and less like a chore. This can significantly boost motivation and consistency. Accessibility and flexibility. AI-powered learning often happens through apps or websites, meaning you can practice anytime, anywhere, on your phone or computer for as little as 10-15 minutes a day. This flexibility makes it easier to fit learning into a busy schedule, promoting consistent practice. In essence, AI brings a level of personalization, adaptability, and immediate feedback to language learning that was previously very difficult or expensive to achieve. It doesn't replace the value of human teachers. Far from it. Human interaction, cultural understanding, and nuanced conversation practice with real people are still incredibly important. But AI can be a powerful supplement, a personal coach that helps you build a strong foundation, identify and fix your specific weaknesses, and practice consistently at your own pace. It's like having a smart study buddy who knows exactly what you need. Exploring AI-based language learning tools host. Now that we understand the potential of AI to personalize our English learning journey, let's look at some real-world examples. There are many AI-powered language learning platforms and apps available today. I am going to talk about 3 popular ones: Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone, just to give you an idea of how different tools use AI. This isn't an endorsement of any specific app, as the best tool for you will depend on your personal learning style and goals, but they are good examples of AI in action. Let's start with Duolingo. Many of you might already be familiar with it. It's famous for its gamified approach to learning. You earn points, unlock levels, maintain streaks, and it feels like playing a game. How AI personalizes it? Duolingo uses AI in several ways. When you start, it often gives you a placement test to gauge your current level. Based on this, it tailors the initial lessons. As you progress, the AI algorithms track your mistakes. If you consistently get, say, plural nouns wrong, you'll likely see more exercises focusing on plurals. It uses something called spaced repetition, where the AI schedules reviews of words and grammar concepts at optimal intervals to help you move them from your short-term to your long-term memory. So words you struggle with will reappear more frequently until you master them. It also has features like stories and listening exercises, and AI helps adjust the complexity of these based on your level. Some versions also incorporate AI-powered chatbots for very basic conversational practice. Unique features. The strong gamification is a key feature, making practice addictive and fun for many. The streaks encourage daily practice. It's also largely free to use with an optional premium version, making it very accessible. Next, let's consider Babbel. Babbel takes a slightly different approach, often focusing more on practical, real-world conversations, how AI personalizes it. Babbel also uses AI to track your progress and adapt lessons. It often tailors its courses based on your native language, recognizing common mistakes speakers of a particular language might make when learning English. For example, a Hindi speaker learning English might have different challenges than a Spanish speaker, and Babbel's AI can try to address these. It uses speech recognition technology to give you feedback on your pronunciation in interactive dialogues. The AI helps ensure you repracticing dialogues that are relevant to your level and learning goals, e.g., English for travel, business, or everyday conversation. They emphasize building conversational confidence. Unique features. Babbel often focuses on teaching through realistic dialogues from the start. It aims to get you speaking practical phrases quickly. Their lessons are typically shorter, around 10-15 minutes, making them easy to fit into a busy day. Then there's Rosetta Stone, one of the older and well-known names in language learning, which has also incorporated AI. How AI personalizes it. Rosetta Stone is known for its immersive method, teaching you English directly in English without much translation, often using images and context to help you learn, similar to how children learn their first language. Their AI-powered speech recognition engine, called TrueAccent, listens to your pronunciation and compares it to native speakers, giving you feedback to help you sound more natural. The AI also helps guide you through a structured learning path, adapting to your progress and ensuring you master concepts before moving on. They also offer live tutoring sessions where AI might be used to match you with appropriate tutors or to provide tutors with insights into your learning patterns. Unique features. The immersive, no translation approach is a hallmark. The focus on pronunciation with TrueAccent is strong. They also often provide more extensive learning content and live tutoring options, though it's usually a premium, subscription-based service. These are just 3 examples, and there are many other excellent AI-powered tools out there, like Elsa Speak, which focuses specifically on pronunciation using AI. Memrise uses AI for spaced repetition and learning vocabulary through fun videos. Or even AI chatbots like ChatGPT, which can be used for conversational practice if you guide them properly. The key takeaway is that these platforms aren't just static collections of lessons. The AI behind them is constantly learning about you, your pace, your mistakes, your strengths, and adjusting the learning experience to help you improve more efficiently. They provide opportunities for personalized practice, repetition, and feedback that can be incredibly valuable, especially for areas like pronunciation and grammar where targeted correction is so important. Remember, no single app is perfect for everyone. The best way to find what works for you is to try out a few, perhaps starting with free versions or trial periods, and see which one's teaching style, features, and personalization approach resonates most with your learning preferences. Optimizing your learning journey with AI Host. So we've seen that AI language learning tools offer some amazing benefits like personalized practice, adaptive difficulty, and instant feedback. But just having access to a good tool isn't enough. You need to use it effectively to get the best results. How can you optimize your English learning journey when using these AI-based platforms? Here are some practical tips. Set clear and realistic goals. Before you even start with an AI tool, ask yourself, why am I learning English? What do I want to achieve? Is it to speak more confidently in daily conversations? Is it for a job interview? Is it to understand movies better? Is it for travel? Having a clear goal helps you choose the right tool and focus your efforts. Then, break down your big goal into smaller, realistic, achievable targets. For example, instead of saying, I want to be fluent in 3 months, which is usually unrealistic, set goals like, this week, I will complete all the lessons on past tense verbs in my app. This month, I will learn 50 new vocabulary words related to my profession. I will practice speaking for 10 minutes every day using the AI chatbot feature. Achieving these smaller goals will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. AI tools can often help you set and track these goals. Maintain consistency. Little and often is key. This is perhaps the most important tip. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Practicing for 15 minutes every day is much more effective than one long session of 10 hours once a week. Consistency helps build habits and keeps the information fresh in your mind. Many AI apps are designed for short, engaging lessons. Use this to your advantage. Practice during your commute, your lunch break, or just before bed. Set a reminder on your phone. Try to make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth. Even on busy days, try to do at least 5-10 minutes. AI tools often use streaks or daily challenges to encourage this consistency. Embrace those features. Be an active learner. Don't just passively click. When you're reusing an AI tool, don't just go through the motions to get points or finish a level. Engage actively with the material. When you learn a new word, try to use it in your own sentence. Maybe say it out loud or write it down. If the AI corrects your pronunciation, really listen to the difference and try to mimic the correct sound multiple times. If you make a grammar mistake, try to understand why it was a mistake before moving on. Take notes. Even if the app saves your progress, writing down key vocabulary or grammar rules by hand can help reinforce learning. Focus on your weaknesses, but don't ignore strengths. AI is great at identifying your weak areas. Pay attention to the feedback it gives you and the types of exercises it keeps bringing up. Dedicate extra effort to these areas. However, also revisit your strengths occasionally to keep them sharp and build confidence. A good AI tool should help you find this balance. Combine AI learning with other methods. While AI tools are powerful, they are usually most effective when combined with other forms of learning and practice. Speak with real people. AI chatbots are improving, but they can't replace real human conversation. Try to find opportunities to speak English with friends, colleagues, language exchange partners, or a tutor. Use the vocabulary and grammar you learn from AI in these real conversations. Consume English media. Watch English movies or TV shows with or without subtitles, depending on your level. Listen to English music or podcasts. Read simple English books or articles. This exposes you to natural language, different accents, and cultural contexts. Connect to your interests. Try to use English in relation to your hobbies or interests. If you like cooking, find English recipes. If you like cricket, read English sports news. This makes learning more relevant and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, even with AI. The AI tool is there to help you learn, not to judge you. Mistakes are part of the process. The AI will correct you, and that correction is valuable feedback. Embrace it. The more mistakes you make and learn from in practice, the fewer you will make in real-life situations. Review and revise regularly. Don't just complete a lesson and forget it. Most AI tools use spaced repetition systems to bring back old material for review. Pay attention to these reviews. Regularly go over your notes, vocabulary lists, and challenging grammar points. Regular revision is key to moving information to your long-term memory. Experiment and find what fits you. As I mentioned earlier, there are many different AI tools, each with its own style and features. Don't be afraid to try a few different platforms. What works wonderfully for one person might not be the best fit for another. Some people love gamification, others prefer a more structured, traditional approach. Some want to focus heavily on speaking, others need more help with grammar or writing. Find the tool or combination of tools whose teaching method aligns with your learning style and keeps you engaged and motivated. By following these tips, setting clear goals, being consistent, learning actively, focusing on weaknesses, combining methods, embracing mistakes, reviewing regularly, and experimenting, you can truly optimize your English learning journey with AI and make significant progress towards fluency. The future of language learning with AI host. We've talked about how AI is already helping us learn languages in a more personalized and effective way, but what does the future hold? The potential of AI to revolutionize language learning is truly vast and exciting. Let's dream a little and imagine what might be possible in the coming years. One of the most exciting areas is even more sophisticated, personalized tutoring. Imagine an AI tutor that not only understands your grammatical mistakes and pronunciation errors, but also understands your learning style, your emotional state, like if you're feeling frustrated or motivated, and your specific interests. This AI tutor could adapt its teaching methods in real time, perhaps offering a different type of explanation if you're stuck or suggesting a break if it senses you're tired. It could create lessons and practice scenarios based on topics you genuinely care about. Imagine learning English by discussing your favorite sport, your career aspirations, or even planning a virtual trip, all with your AI tutor. This level of deep personalization could make learning feel incredibly engaging and relevant. Then there's the possibility of highly interactive and immersive virtual environments. Think about practicing English not just by talking to a chatbot on a screen, but by entering a virtual reality (VR) or augmented reality (AR) world. You could find yourself in a simulated English-speaking cafe ordering coffee, navigating a virtual airport asking for directions, or participating in a virtual business meeting with AI-powered characters who have different accents and personalities. These immersive experiences could provide incredibly realistic practice for real-world situations, helping you build confidence without the pressure of making mistakes in front of real people initially. Imagine practicing for a job interview with an AI interviewer that looks and sounds realistic and gives you detailed feedback on your answers, your body language, if tracked, and your fluency. Real-time language assistance and translation will also become much more advanced. We already have tools like Google Translate, but imagine AI that can provide instant, nuanced translation during a live conversation, not just word for word, but capturing the intent, tone, and cultural context. Or imagine AI-powered classes that show you subtitles of what someone is saying in real time or translate signs and menus instantly and accurately. While these tools are for assistance rather than direct learning, they can help bridge communication gaps and facilitate understanding, which can, in turn, encourage more interaction and learning. AI could also play a much bigger role in creating dynamic and adaptive learning content. Instead of static textbooks or pre-recorded videos, AI could generate learning materials, stories, dialogues, exercises that are constantly updated, culturally relevant, and perfectly matched to your current learning level and interests. If you love mystery stories, your AI tutor could generate a simple mystery for you to solve using vocabulary and grammar you are currently learning. Furthermore, AI could help connect learners with each other more effectively. It could match you with language exchange partners who have similar interests, learning goals, and proficiency levels, or even facilitate small group practice sessions with AI moderation to ensure everyone gets a chance to speak and receive feedback. Of course, with all this exciting potential, there are also considerations. We all need to ensure these AI tools are accessible and affordable for everyone. We'll also need to remember the irreplaceable value of human connection. AI should augment, not completely replace, interaction with human teachers and fellow learners who provide empathy, cultural understanding, and genuine human connection. But the overall direction is clear. AI is poised to make language learning more